Well, continuing deadly shootings here in Chicago are pitting city leaders against each other over how to handle violence in the city. Today, Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx responded to comments from Mayor Lori Lightfoot over Foxx's decision not to pursue charges after a deadly standoff last week. News Nation's Tamon Bradley from our Chicago station WGN has more on the war of words over very real violence.
After Mayor Lori Lightfoot called out her office for rejecting charges in a fatal West Side shootout, today Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx hit back hard.
It was inappropriate. It was wrong. Discussing the facts of this case in the press without the benefit of all of the evidence does a disservice to the communities who've been impacted by this violence.
Police say the Friday incident began when 4 people got out of vehicles and shot into a home. The people inside returned gunfire. 1 person was killed. Foxx says in Lightfoot's criticism of her, the mayor got some of the facts wrong.
Our job as lawyers has been co-opted by politics, and so I'm calling it out.
After Foxx spoke, Mayor Lightfoot responded.
We have to understand how it's possible when this kind of shootout is captured on film that there were no charges of any person, even though people were brought into custody and arrested.
As a former federal prosecutor, Mayor Lightfoot routinely chides the state's attorney's office and the courts for being too lenient on gun offenders. But Foxx counters when police have made an arrest and there's evidence of a crime, she brings charges.
The people in these neighborhoods are crying out for safety. They are crying out for a plan. They are crying out for their elected officials to not be in finger-pointing matches, but to work together collectively to solve for these issues.
To further the discussion, Foxx provided these numbers showing the number of shootings and arrests since she took office. From December 1st, 2016 to July 31st of this year, there have been 13,374 shootings. Of those cases, 2,447 arrests.
That's 11,000 shootings in which there's not been an arrest.
Foxx says it's still possible that her office brings charges in the West Side shootout. In the meantime, Foxx, Mayor Lightfoot, and the police are trying to set up a meeting so they can all get on the same page. In Chicago, I'm Tamon Bradley. Nicole?
All right, we'll see if they get on the same page. Tamon, thank you.